welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, guess what? It's time for another $20 thrift store challenge. Yay! So that's what we're doing in today's video. So I am not looking for anything in particular, but I am keeping an eye out for things that I might be able to use for Christmas. You know, I love decorating my home. I love making it look a whole lot more expensive than what I really paid for things. And one of the ways I do that is by thrifting. So I go to my high-end stores, I look for inspiration, then I head out to the thrift stores to see what I can find. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you wanna see what we're gonna find, make sure you watch until the end because I do have a haul for you. All right, let's go thrifting. One of the colors this year for Christmas are your deep reds and your burgundies. So when you're out thrifting, you want to look for things that will fit into your color scheme. So if you are doing deep red or you're doing burgundy or a traditional Christmas, look for these type of items in your thrift store to pick them up at a very affordable price. If you love creating your own personalized gifts, always look in the thrift store for baskets that you can use. You can pick them up at very affordable prices, as well as if you are creating your own floral arrangements, look for those vases that you can use that will cost you a fraction of the price. If you are hosting for the holidays and you don't want to break the bank getting new serveware, check out your local thrift stores. You can find some really elegant serveware at very affordable prices. Just like this 3-tiered stand, just throw on those little pieces of paper you use to cover up the tray to put your food on and you're good to go. This is a picnic basket, but I think it would be great to give as a gift. You can put in some meat and some cheeses and some wine, along with napkins and serveware, and it would be the perfect gift for Christmas. If you have a movie buff in your life, these would be the perfect gift. These are very affordable. It's $16 for 3, and these are like the ones from Crate & Barrel, which cost $25 and $8 a piece. You can pick them up at the thrift store for a fraction of the price. If you have someone in your life who is into farmhouse, this fork and spoon along with a clock would be the perfect decorations for their kitchen. You could get both of those at a very affordable price as well. I think someone donated all of their serveware because they're all here at the Goodwill. If you are looking for some retro glassware to serve your Christmas eggnog in, look at your local Goodwill. You guys know I am on the hunt for some crystal pieces for my Christmas table. This was really nice, but it was a little small, so I did not pick it up. Now these glasses, they're so dainty, so elegant, so classic. I think these would look perfect on a Christmas table, so stay until the end to see if I pick them up. So we are back from thrifting. There was not a lot to find in stores. Again, I'm being very particular about the things that I am picking up while thrifting. And in this $20 thrift store challenge, I was looking for things that I might be able to incorporate into my black tie Christmas theme, and I did find a few things. Not a lot, but a few. All right, so the first thing I want to start with are these glasses. Guys, look how cute these are. Do I need any more glasses? No, but these are so cute. Look, it has the silver on it. I figured this would pair really nicely with the other silver gauntlets that I showed you previously, and I couldn't leave them in the store. They were just 99 cents. So I picked up 6 of these, and there's a smaller one. I didn't unwrap it, but it's like this one's a taller one, and then it's a little shorter one, so they look like this. But they were 99 cents, so I picked up 6 of the tall ones and 6 of the small ones, so $12. I thought that was a great price, so I could not leave them in the store, so there is that. And then I saw this and I'm thinking, you know what? That looks just like that tree from Studio McGee. And it's this piece. This is so cute, guys. Look at this little tree. The one on Studio McGee, and I'll put up that photo here, I think it's around $20. This one I picked up for just $4.99. Again, it is a vintage glass tree, and oh my gosh, guys, this is so nice. So you know what I love to do, I went to Google Lens and I looked up these trees, and they are selling for a pretty hefty price. So for me to be able to pick this up for just $5, I thought it was an awesome deal. I couldn't leave it in a store. I don't know how I'm going to style with it yet. Maybe with, I don't know, on a book with some like shiny balls, like some of these that I showed you earlier, maybe in a bowl to go along with it, or these with some black balls and beside the little tree. I don't know, but I'll think about it. But I know he is going to be absolutely awesome for Christmas, and this was an excellent buy. All right, and then the last thing I picked up, so far we're at $17 in our $20 thrift store challenge. And I told you guys, if I see something, I'm always going to keep an open mind. So we did go a little bit over budget of our $20 thrift store challenge, because this next piece that I picked up, it did cost $10. And so we're at $27, so a little bit over. But look, guys, look. Now this thing is not perfect, but I think it'll do the trick. As I said, it was just $10, so I could not leave it in the store. And here is my idea for this, guys. I am thinking about using this as a tree topper. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh, it's so big. So again, it's a piece of wall decor, but who says it can't be a tree topper? So my plan is to take something really sturdy and attach it to the back and just slide it down into the tree. And so this will be the tree topper. You know, I'm going for a black tie, glam, and elegant theme, so I thought this would be absolutely perfect. And for just $10, yes please and thank you. So I had to bring that home with me, but that is the plan for it. Like I said, guys, I did not pick up a lot, but what I did get, I think is absolutely fabulous. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And again, if you are joining me on my black tie Christmas theme this year, leave me a comment down below letting me know you want to participate. Leave a Christmas tree emoji. You can email me your videos or your photos, and they must be sent to me no later than December 22nd. And you want to send those to iStyleMyStyle20@yahoo.com. And once I get those, again, no later than December 22nd, I'll put together the video montage, and I will put up the videos of all of our beautiful Christmas decorating on December 24th, so we can enjoy it all on Christmas Eve and then the rest of the holiday season. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited for the theme. I hope you are as well. If you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have tons of budget-friendly, budget luxury decorating inspiration coming your way for Christmas that you don't want to miss. So make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.